Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to slow down a video on iPhone. If you don't already have it, download iMovie from the Apple Store. It's free app for Apple. Then open iMovie and tap Create Project. Tap the video clip in the timeline, then speed icon. It looks like a speedometer. Drag the slider to the left to slow the video down. You can do up to 0.2x speed. Tap done in the left corner, then tap share button, then choose save videos. Your slowed video will save to the photo app. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.